With over 380,000 objects and over 30,000 works of art, my favorite piece in the Louvre Museum is the Winged Victory, the goddess Nike. Bonjour, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. It's a little bit rainy, a little bit nasty here in Paris, but today we're going to the greatest museum in the world, the Louvre. So it's going to be all good pretty soon. We're going to catch the M1 and we're going to head off to the Louvre. Welcome to the Europe Series 2022. I'm Eric B. from Travel Adventures with Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I'm a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficient. Indeed raining, I have no umbrella, but how can I let that dampen my day? Because I'm in front of the greatest museum in the world. I'm in Paris. What am I complaining about? Taking the very efficient Paris metro, the Louvre Museum, Musée du Louvre, is pretty easy to get to, as you can take one of two exits on the M1 line. So as you can find the M1 line, you'll find it. The Paris metro always has more than one exit in the station, so make sure you follow the signs in the right direction as we get out here on a rainy day today to see the beautiful palace and a beautiful Musée du Louvre, the greatest museum in the world. And you'll see for yourself in this video why this is the most visited museum in the world. It's also the largest museum in the world, and it also holds more pieces of art than anywhere else in the world. So just sit back and enjoy. I'm going to be quiet, and I'm going to let the beauty of this museum take hold. So here we go. What I love about this place so much is the detail is so incredible. Just look at the detail. I'm going to edit this video down to a decent amount of time, because literally every piece in here deserves like 5 minutes on video. But you're going to notice everyone's going to be lined up to take a picture of the tiny Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa's tiny, but it's worth a lot of money, so you need to see it. Just make sure when you're looking at the Mona Lisa from a distance to turn around and look at some of this other beautiful art all over this place. All this detail is on the roof. Like, how do you get this detail on the roof? It's crazy. Taking a selfie, so I gotta take a selfie with her. Take a selfie together. I thought it would be pretty cool to do a closing with the Mona Lisa somewhere in the background. So there she is. Everyone's like blocking it off, but that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out. Hope you're enjoying this 2022 Summer European series. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button, leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.